Guys, what's going on? It's your boy Wale 2 times. We in this bitch. You know what I mean? I'm not gonna lie to y'all. It's a Sunday and I don't work today. I normally do after hour cuts, off day cuts, all that shit, you know, what's going on type shit. So if you need that, go ahead and follow me on the gram at Wale 2 times, and then, you know what I'm saying, just hit me up, you feel me? That's what I do on Sundays type shit. And then I clean up my shop if I need it to be cleaned or whatever. Guys, I'm really trying to get in the flow of just recording everything that has to do with, you know, content related stuff. So anyways, guys, I've really been feeling like I don't want to cut my hair, honestly. I really want to manage it to be able to do different styles that I want to do. Like, I want to do as many styles as I can with, you know, an afro and whatnot. I'm, you know, really trying to grow my hair out as long as I can, just to see, you know, like, I've personally never had my hair to like hang, you know, past my eyes and stuff like that. And I always just kind of like wanted to, you know, just see what it looks like and shit, you know what I'm saying? But obviously we not here for that today, guys. Right now, y'all can see this little brown in my hair. What I want to do today is I pretty much just want to, like, it's only in this one, you know, section right here, but what I pretty much want to do is I want to make it like go all the way down type shit, you know what I'm saying? Just finesse it down like that, you know what I'm saying? Just do something different. Y'all know me. If you know me, if you follow me on the gram, like most of y'all should do, y'all know that I changed my hairstyle a lot. Changed my hairstyle, my haircut a lot, you know what I'm saying? I'm diverse. That's just me though, you know what I'm saying? That's like the type of style that I bring to the, you know, the barber industry and whatnot. But yeah, since I'm not gonna cut it, and the reason why I want to do this style is because when I do get braids or twists, I really like for that brown to show. I really like that brown. I feel like it just makes me unique, and I guess I'm gonna put a little bit more right here, you know what I'm saying, just to make it look like it's actually on my hair type shit, you know what I'm saying? So let me get into that. So guys, this is the product that I use to normally bleach my hair. It's L'Oreal Technique Quick Blue High Performance, and then it's just the mix that I use, and I just, you know, pour it in my mixing bowl like this. And because I'm not using a lot for real, just enough to, you know, it's just gonna be on top of my hair. I won't, you know, use that much. And then I'm gonna use, whenever you bleach your hair, you have to use some don't quote me on this. I forgot what this is called, but you gotta get this liquid thing. But it's a 2-in-1 kind of thing. So this is the mix and mix powder, whatever, and this is the liquid that you gotta get. So yeah. So what I want to do is I'm just gonna pour this in, you know, just pour it in. I'm gonna pour this in, and then I'm gonna find something to mix it because I don't know where that that brush is at. Guys, now I'm about to just, you know, mix this solution just like this. I want to make sure that the solution isn't too liquidy. Also make sure that the solution isn't too thick. Right now it's a little bit between both. It's kind of in the middle, but I'll just add just a little bit more liquid to it just so that it can be well balanced for real. And now it's evenly like a paste. And I want to mix it just like this, trying to make sure that there aren't any lumps and stuff. To make sure that it's, you know, just well mixed up. Okay, guys. Oh shit. Okay, guys. Time to apply this. This should do, honestly. And I'm just trying to gently just dab at it. I don't want it to be, you know, too crazy for real. Just trying to dab. And I'm not trying to go over where I had already initially put that dye. Just trying to complete it for real. Guys, I'll probably need a mirror. So I hope you guys could see me. Y'all probably can. But okay, guys, the hair, as you can see, looking like it's starting to turn brown, honestly. And yeah, we're just gonna keep on waiting. Just waiting till it maybe like in another 10 minutes or so. I'm going to check it again to see if I'm satisfied, and if not, we're gonna wait longer. All right, y'all, this is the complete look. About to go wash it out. As y'all can see, it looks like it's done for real. You know what I mean? I'm praying that when I wash it out, that it looks nice. Yes, I'm praying that it looks very, very nice. So let's wash it out. Here we go.
Yeah, I just like change. I think I'm really obsessed with change, you know?
Did your client ask you a question yesterday?
Mine?
Yeah.
Question?
Did he ask you a question? I see him sitting in the stairs, and I asked him to ask you, what video do you make when you late?
When I'm late?
You got a video you got for your clients late?
When I'm
Remember
late?
that video you did?
Oh yeah!
What video did you do when you late?
When I'm late? I made a video to it.
You did?
Yeah.
Oh, when you late?
Yeah.
Okay.
What's it?
I'll check it out, yeah.
I'm gonna send it to you.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
What you did on TikTok?
Huh?
Or Instagram?
I think it was on, you posted it on both.
Yeah.
When your barber shows up late.
Yo, there was mad traffic. I had to get something to eat. I saw a turtle.
That ain't got nothing to do with me, cuz.
How did you even get in here?
Don't worry about it.
I have the key. I have the.
You need these keys?
How did you even get that?
Don't worry about that.
Yo, what do you want? A haircut? A haircut and a discount.
Don't
Yo,
worry about
you
that.
don't have to do this. Martin, you don't have to do this.
Don't worry
you
about
don't
that.
have to.
And this cut better be free, too.
All right, y'all, this is the finished look showing the view off the front camera. This is definitely the finished look. Hope you guys, no, this is the back camera, sorry. Okay guys, this is what it looks from the back camera. Yes, sir. Hopefully you guys see everything. Hopefully. I'm gonna show you how it looks from the front camera. Guys, this is the view from the front camera. This is what it looks like. This is how it came out. Let me know what y'all think. Let me know what y'all think. Like, comment, and subscribe. If this video was any helpful to you, definitely, you know, send it out. Whew, this is nice. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm very, very satisfied. I very like the brown. I like how the brown came out. And then when I braid it, it's gonna look even way, way better. Very, very nice. 10 out of 10 for me. If this video has helped you, make sure you try it when you get the chance. Try to dye your hair by yourself. Do it when you get the chance. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And share this video with a friend or an inspiring barber who wants to learn how to dye their hair. Peace.